You cannot even get a meal for 2020 euro. So only brought one bag.
De paarse skittel.
Oh yeah.
Ja, toch?
So let's do a haul. Hello, welcome to another vlog. We just arrived in Chiang Mai where we will be for the rest of the week, like 7 nights, and we just arrived to our hotel room. It's so cute. Even though I did the booking, unless you see it in real life, you don't know if it's gonna be a hit or miss. But I'm so happy with the choice that we made. Like, the room is so cute and so beautiful, and it was so affordable for 7 nights. So let me give you a little room tour. On the side is where you enter the room, so you have a little hallway situation where you can hang your coats and whatnot, and they gave us complimentary water and coffee noodles. Then, just now I was standing in front of this mirror. Over here we have our suitcases. There's like a little table space with a fridge, which is very important because you sometimes want to store stuff in the fridge. Then there's a really big double bed, so each has a nightstand. It's very cute. They made these little elephants, how adorable. There's also a little patio kind of thing, or I'm not sure if they call it patio or balcony, but this is the view from our place. This is literally on the other side of the wall, and inside is like the city center basically. So we're super close to everywhere where we want to go. It's walking distance. Then the most fun part is definitely this area for me, because we have the washing thing on the side, and it has these green tiles, which I like a lot, so cute. And then you have like a small vanity space here. And especially because we're gonna be here for 7 nights, I can like really put all my makeup stuff down here and just have it very cutely laid out. And then the last thing is the bathroom, which is also very spacious and it looks modern and clean. I also brought my Canon G7X for this trip instead of my analog camera, because I just wanted like quick results, and I haven't used this for a while, but I do think that the vibes are very cute with this one. And also because the film that is in analog, you can actually not bring it into airports because the scanning machines actually ruin the film. And I have been doing it because I don't really care, but I thought, let me switch it up for now. So I already made a lot of cute pictures with this, and they are more instant, so I can keep posting on Instagram as well. Anyway, that's kind of a long intro to this video or this vlog, but we're gonna freshen up and then we're gonna head outside. Ik ben hier. Ik wil milk. Mijn milky drink. Deze. Milk. Oeh.
We gaan even lekker Mexicaans eten hier.
De pico de gallo.
Heb je ook bij het voorgenomen? Nou, je had toch die andere niet genomen? Good morning. We just got ready. We're heading out for an early breakfast. It's 8 a.m. but my boyfriend wants to go to his boxing class later, so we need to do an early breakfast. I actually didn't bring a lot of clothes because I'm intending to shop when I'm in Hong Kong, so I didn't pack too wisely for the weather. I'm currently wearing like a island summer dress. It doesn't fit the northern vibes, but it's all I have, so that's just what we're going with. And I also only did my skincare, no makeup, because it's just too early. And I also only brought one bag, but it's this one from July Mansion. You've guys seen this before, but it's really nice because it's so spacious. So I can bring all the stuff that I have, which is mostly a lot of tech gear, to vlog and take content. So yeah, let's head out for breakfast. after breakfast, we went back to the hotel because my boyfriend was going to go to a boxing class and I was still very tired. And in the morning was actually really cold. So I took a fat nap again. I really need to rest. I just really need to rest. But what I want to show you guys is, of course, I'm drinking my melon drink again. But also, this hotel doesn't have a breakfast area. So instead of having the breakfast area, they provide us a free snack, a local snack every morning. So today, when we opened our door, this snack was already there. And I'm not sure what they are called, but they remind me of the egg rolls biscuit thing that you get at Oriental. But then this is the Thai version, I guess, because I think we normally get the Chinese version, which is more of an egg roll and it's like a little bit more stuffed and very crumbly. And this one is a lot thinner and it has the same kind of taste, but I feel like I like this one more because it's so airy and crispy. The only thing that I don't like about these things is that they crumble a lot, so you can't eat it without everything getting messy, but this is what they look like. So these are also like a whole. It doesn't have a filling. So yeah, we need to do laundry, so I'm gonna bring a laundry bag near here and see if they can wash it for us because there's a laundry service in our neighborhood. And after that we're gonna go for massages again.
Weet je waar nou die smaakt? De paardjeskip.
Oh, dat is wel lekker.
Ja.
Oh ja.
Ja, toch?
Ja. Just got changed after we did our massage because we are going to the night market, the Sunday night market. Last time that we were in Chiang Mai, it was not on a Sunday, so we missed out on this market and it's super popular. I'm wearing a long sleeve because in the evening it definitely gets a lot more chilly, so I want to be prepared this time. Also long pants that I just washed today, so I'm happy that I can wear them again because I really just didn't bring enough clothing. And I'm finally wearing my sneakers again because I've been wearing my tabbies the whole time and they are kind of flat, so my feet did start hurting. I still didn't do makeup today, so I'm just putting my glasses on, also just to protect my eyes a little bit because I noticed just walking around with all the cars and scooters driving around, you get a lot of like small dust into your eyes, so it's better to just have something protect the eyes. And in the evening, I'm not gonna wear sunglasses, obviously. Hair up, and I'm ready to hit the night markets. Thank you so much. It's okay. Thank you. I'm back from the night markets, so let's do a haul. I saw these very cute bag charms and I know that these are also sold by like, well, not these exact ones, but these type of bag charms are also sold by like very expensive brands. And these were cheap and cute, so had to get them. Then I also bought a 7-Eleven sticker and a Red Bull sticker. These were very cheap, but I put one sticker on my boyfriend's suitcase and it actually got lost right away after the first flight. So I want to put some new stickers on just to make sure that we can identify the bag fast. Then my favorite purchase is something that I've been looking for, and I didn't remember that I was looking for it until I saw it at the night market. I was like, oh yeah, I was gonna search that in Chiang Mai or somewhere in Thailand. So I got these, and I got 2 of them. One is for my mom, and then basically what it is, on one side it's obviously a comb, but on the other side it has these things. And I was influenced by Brethren Rock because I think he uses something like this, and then he just goes over his head, and it kind of should stimulate blood flow or something like that. I don't know, I have to figure it out. But this one also has these 2 smaller ones, and I think she showed that you can like put it in between your eyebrows to like kind of get away the tension if you have like a headache or something, I guess. So multi-purpose, and I like that it's like from wood and all that. And it's small, so you can bring it in your bag if you want to. And I have 2 more items that I bought, which are actually for our home, or well, my matcha station. This first one is like this small wooden thing, so it will elevate like a little platform. Super cute. I just know that if I want to find something like this in Europe, I'm just either not gonna find it or it's gonna be like super expensive for no reason. So when I saw this, I was like, might as well get it here. It's also super light, so I can bring it back easily. And then I also got a slightly bigger version, so I guess this is twice the size of this one. And then this is also for my matcha station, same concept, also very affordable. And then I have 2 like elevated platforms that I can make my matcha station cuter with. So let's talk about the prices. This one was around 100 baht, and this one was 140. Then each of this one was 130. I think, how much did I pay her? 500 probably. Wait, how much? Let me calculate. 140. 1, 2. Yeah, 500 baht from this shop. Then these were 10 baht each, so 20 baht. Then this one was 85. So 85 plus 10, let's round it up to another 100, which means we spent 600 so far. And then the last one, the 2 bag charms together, was I think 175 or something. So let's say that was 200. I basically spent 800 at the night market, and that's just super affordable, because let me calculate that back in euros. 800 divided by around 36-ish, which means that we spent around 22 euros, which you cannot even get a meal for 22 euros anymore in the Netherlands. So I think with everything that I got, it was super cheap. And the thing about this Sunday night market is they have so many people selling the same thing. So it's just gonna be cheap. It's just gonna be cheap. And I'm not sure where they're sourcing it from and if it's good quality or not. But for the price that you're paying, you cannot expect too much. And I like that it's affordable. Like, I love it. If you're not looking for something specific at the Sunday night market, it can be quite overwhelming because, as you saw in the clips, it's so busy. But luckily, I was just by myself. My boyfriend's foot is hurting, so I left him behind and I walked around the market for 1.5 hours to source all these cute things. And I'm happy that I did, because we only have one Sunday here, so this was my only opportunity to walk the Sunday night market. Anyway, that's my haul. I'm gonna get ready for bed, so good night.